How to open YouTube audio library on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can open YouTube audio library on your mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you'll need to do is head over to the bottom right corner on your U page. After you're there, head over to settings on the top right corner. So head over to the gear icon, then you should be on your settings. Scroll down all the way, and there you will find an option called Help and Policies. Tap on Help. Sometimes it's Help and Send Feedback, so just tap on Help if they are different. Then here you will see Search Help. Under Search Help, you'll need to search for Audio Library, and you'll find this Use Music and Sound Effect from Audio Library. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you will see these two options. You'll need to sign into YouTube Studio, or what you can do is you can directly access audio library from youtube.com/audio library. So tap on that link and it should open up your browser. There you will be redirected to studio.youtube.com. And what you can do is you can visit the web page, and there you go. There is your audio library. And that's basically how you do this. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.